Hi everyone, for Friday we have a high of 66 degrees, turning cooler day by day all the way through Sunday when we have a high of 47 degrees. So we go from the 70s, what we had on Thursday, now to the 40s on Sunday there. But we'll see a lot of 50s into the middle of next week. For parts of Friday, it will be breezy at times. Friday night, we're expecting rain to move in. For the weekend, Saturday mostly into the form of rain. Saturday night, start to see a little wintry mix and even some snow into Sunday morning. For the early hours of Friday, winds could peak over 30 miles an hour briefly at times in Casper, and then even go light as well. But really for Friday morning when we're up and out of bed, starting our day, could maybe have an occasional gust above 20 miles an hour, but winds don't look to be too much of an issue for Friday and even into the weekend. Peak winds for Friday, pretty light winds into the Wind River Basin and the Bighorn Basin. Bit of a breeze closer to I-80 at our most wind-prone areas, Black Hills, and a few gusts into the Panhandle. As mentioned earlier, again, not a big issue for the weekend, but the winds pick up much more for Monday and Tuesday. Rain chances. So your Friday morning, afternoon look to be pretty much into the clear. The rain starts to build in more for Friday evening. Scattered showers expected overnight and into Saturday. We'll see some snow into the Bighorn Mountains. Also see some snow into the Black Hills. For pretty much all of us, though, we're still looking at rain. Could see some rain amounts less than 1/4 of an inch, over 1/2 of an inch. This is just through Saturday evening. Again, those numbers will be higher as rain will continue overnight and possibly into Sunday. As far as snow amounts by Saturday evening, you can see it's really just staying into the Bighorn Mountains and into the Black Hills there. We'll have better snow chances in the lower elevations more late Saturday night and for Sunday morning. But snow amounts still a little uncertain, but it's really going to be just more wet, slushy stuff. Some of us may see a trace dusting. Some of us may see a couple inches. But again, it's really just going to be more messy than anything and melt pretty quickly. Your Friday morning still looks good. Partly cloudy to mostly cloudy at times. Rain arrives later into the evening. Still a high of 66 degrees to be expected. Could see a 50 and also could see some 70s into the Panhandle. Your weekend, once again, we turn cooler and we start that changeover from rain, wintry mix Saturday, and our best chance of snow would likely be into Sunday morning. It still looks like we'll have an active week ahead, well, even through the weekend and into next week. Now, temperatures still look to hold pretty steady into the 50s, but we'll have off and on chances of some rain turning over to some snow into the overnight hours there. But still, some amounts remain questionable. We might get a dry day by Thursday with partly cloudy skies.